farm.
I'll be your valve guy. You know.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Air Cannon. Remember, safety first. Today we're going to introduce the staple of most single men's lives here. Chili and Fritos.
Hormel chili.
That's the good shit.
Smells like beans. Smells like hormel chili.
This is not bad. So for this, you just simply need one bag of Fritos down the top of your air cannon here. And you can... Shit.
This is rated PG.
What do you do?
You can work them in like that. Still got that spaghetti on there. That's good.
I like to have chicken bones with my hormel chili.
Yes, chicken bones add a lot to the flavor. Now your chili, you're gonna be a little bit more delicate in how you insert it here. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah.
Looks fucking nasty.
That's right.
How you spelling?
You're spilling on this side.
Work it in there, Tommy.
You know, it's always good to have a chef's
Hey, spread
assistant.
that whole out a little more.
So he's a sous chef.
I prefer Nally chili.
Nally chili is badass.
We don't use name brands around here.
Hey, use your
We
fist.
just said hormel chili.
Use your fist.
There's only name
Put it
brands
in the closet.
Hey, this is not sponsored by anybody.
It's not.
Damn, it's good.
What's Kyle's
No,
restaurant
man.
again?
What's it called? Dow Dow's what?
Dow Dow's
Tuesday.
Dow Dow's Air Cannon Kitchen.
Yeah, Dow Dow's Air Cannon Kitchen.
What are we at?
Sponsored
110.
by.
110. So today we're gonna
make a
cook our
commercial.
chili at 110 psi. Through our improved Mark III air cannon, which has been sealed with tire slime. The duct tape on the cannon is very important, as if the cannon was to explode, it doesn't hurt as bad.
And it's very redneck amazing.
So, when cooking with your cannon, you want to ensure your airline going straight into the cannon is flush and not bent. Go ahead and keep your cannon on the front, because that shit's funny. And charge her up.
Cooking with alcohol is also quite good.
Okay, we're at 110 psi, and Tommy's going to go ahead and operate the oven.
That was disgusting.
Oh, man.
I got chips everywhere.
What happened to the squirrel?
Oh, the squirrel is behind.
Oh,
Yeah, the squirrel's gone actually now.
I think it fell down.
damn. Oh, wait, here. There we go. Some Frito pie right here. Mm. That's 5-star right there.